Welcome to LUTV's Nerd Corner, where we cover every corner of entertainment, gaming, and media. I am Landin Doucet. Today, I want to do something different. And with anime becoming more and more mainstream in the last decade, some people are trying to jump in but might not know what to watch. So for this segment of the Nerd Corner, I want to give you all a few recommendations for some of the most popular genres, that being action and romance, plus I will give a couple of my own personal recommendations. Now most people know the big three, which are Bleach, One Piece, and Naruto. Then there's the grandfather of the big three, which is Dragon Ball. But for a first-time watcher, getting into any of those four as your first is a very time-consuming task.
Mommy.
Jumping into my recommendations, if you are a romance lover, most people would agree that the best to start with is Horimiya. It's got all the points of a perfect romance anime. It's got the main couple.
Cute beyond belief.
It's got side couples to root
All the
for.
time. Maybe Ayasaki knows him?
Just for today.
And best of all, it's got comedy.
Or something?
He's also a new addition to the friend group, and he started things off way worse than you. I hated his guts. Now look how close we are, huh?
All in all, it's my first recommendation for the best romance anime to start with.
Hori-san! Ganbare!
In terms of action anime recommendations, there are a variety I can go with that released in the last few years alone. You've got Jujutsu Kaisen, you've got Demon Slayer, and you've got Solo Leveling. All of these are different in terms of the action you would be getting. Honestly though, that's what I would recommend for action animes, especially Jujutsu Kaisen. With all that being said, there are plenty of different anime genres out there. So if you want something certain, then you might find something out there for you. With that being said, that's going to do it for this edition of LD's Nerd Corner, where we cover every corner of entertainment, gaming, and media. I am Landin Doucet. If you'd like to see more content or have suggestions on what I should do next, be sure to check out LD's Media Corner on Instagram and Facebook. And to see more content from LUTV News, follow us on Facebook, X, and Instagram.